The best creative people that I've known always are the most humble. They are almost oblivious of their greatness and how much they impact and influence generations of people. When I started my career, some of the first people to shoot with me, lend me clothes, was Falguni, Shane, and Peacock. So I have so much high regard for them because they are not just pioneers in presenting urban India in India and internationally, but they're also just amazing people who have evolved every few years, and essentially that's what all of us Indians do, and that's what we are. We stand for that, and the fact that we say yes to every opportunity that comes our way and don't look at it like an obstacle, and instead we look at it as something that we need to conquer and build out of. For me, Falguni and Shane both are creative people I look up to. Whenever I am actually confused in certain creative decisions, I always ask and seek advice from them. And the fact that they thought of me for this collection, it's so humbling. It's so nourishing for me to know as a person, because you guys mean the world to me. I have always had the best time interacting with you for shoots, for performances, for whatever I've done with you guys, and I really feel like I would love to go on a rooftop and scream as to how this particular collection that they've done. I think it's the first time in my Lakme Fashion Week career of walking, I have ever wanted to own every single piece I saw on the runway. I can't tell you, the models just looked out of this world. Everything was wearable, everything was relatable and aspirational, which is just a combination that we all really want. And I think you guys have nailed Kuto. You guys have nailed relatability and aspiration. I don't know how you guys do it. Thank you for having me. Thank you for making me a small part of this. And it was so much fun working with you, with Karan. It's just the nicest combination that I could have asked for people.
So they've been doing showcases internationally, and that's the reason why we thought they were just the right fit for this partnership between Lufthansa and Fashion Week. And we are absolutely. I think the show was fantastic. I thought it was really clean, really international, and that's what we hope happens.
Finally, JC complimented me. After all the years that I know JC, this is the first time he's complimented us.
But he's missing the FSP belt.
So I think before we hear from Tamanna, I think you should speak about how what it took to make this ensemble and your collection, and then maybe she can talk about how she felt of it.
With Tamanna, I feel like you can